Gamers, are you struggling to make coding a habit? Programmers, are you struggling to relax from hard-to-solve problems? Let's stop the struggle now. The switch is often too sudden. It should be a gradual transition from one to the other. Minecraft with Create mode has the least amount of programming. But where is it? Programming is not only coding. When I worked for a company, most of my time I was not coding. The hardest and most important part of the job is finding a solution to the problem. Instead of having to learn a programming language, we can use the countless contraptions Create mode offers us. Minecraft with Computercraft mode has the most amount of programming while still playing a game. This time we are learning an actual programming language that is used outside of the game as well. With this mod, the program you write controls the robot. The better you get with the programming language, the stronger you will be in the game. It's not a problem if your goal is to learn another language. The basics you learn with this language will be used in every other language. When working in a company, do you know how many lines of code a project usually is? Millions. I don't know how correct this is, but it said Google is 2 billion lines of code. Those are some big projects that no one person can create on their own. Even when working alone on a personal project, it will often reach many lines of code. In order to get the feeling of working on a big project, before making the switch to programming, the best match for that is Minecraft with Redstone. People have literally made a computer with Redstone. The closest you can get to programming while still being a little close to gaming as well is creating a mod for Minecraft. If you can create a mod for Minecraft, you can easily start learning how to make a website or whatever else programming has to offer. It's no different than creating a mod.